Okay, time to make the HHS sandwich. All right. First thing we're going to do is spread some Dijonnaise on one side of our sub rolls. If you don't know what Dijonnaise is, it's simply a mix of Dijon mustard and mayo mixed in whatever ratio you like. And first thing we're going to add is some Black Forest ham. Now the salami. And finish up with our salami here. And then it's on to some good old Virginia ham. And then finally, you want to top this off with some freshly ground black pepper and pop it into a 425-degree oven until it's ready to go. Oh, but before we go, we cannot forget about the cheese. First cheese we're going to be laying down on the salami side is a nice little Gouda. And then this might be a little controversial, but I decided the second cheese is going to be a nice little mozzarella. Again, you don't have to use this. You could use cheddar if you want, but I just decided these two cheeses paired together particularly nicely. So there's some mozzarella laid down. And again, pop it in the oven till the cheese is nice and melty. Okay, and after 10 or so minutes in the oven, it's time to put on the rest of the fixins. This is some freshly shredded iceberg lettuce, and if you use any other type of lettuce for this, you're a loser. And some fresh dill pickled chips. If your sandwich doesn't have pickles on it, it's probably garbage, so you should throw it on the ground. And then top it off, and that's that. The HHS, done.